The tail hook that allows the FA-18 to stop in under 400 feet. Sally will now demonstrate the maneuverability and superior thrust rates of the FA-18 with the half Cuban 8 on his go-around. Captain Bales is performing a repositioning maneuver to align his aircraft